Look at this, guys. It's so pouring. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna go. Now let's go do the outdoor. You can talk too. It's pouring rain. Our TV signal lost. Making a YouTube video. Look at this. It's almost covering.
Your dad's car.
No, it's almost covering the sidewalk. Side of the sidewalk.
Yeah, let's go outside.
Huh? I'm just.
Let's do the sidewalk and then my mom's car.
See?
On the garbage can.
It is totally flooding here.
Garbage can.
Look at that garbage can. It even fell over. And the lightning. The clouds are so dark. I wish I could make more.
And that car. That white car.
That white car? Yeah. It's flooding here. This is crazy.
Come on.
It's crazy here.
That one.
And now check out the window. Look at it. My TV's even signal lost.
Hey. Oh.
Complete signal lost. Oh, the lightning is so crazy. I wish I could make more, but I have to do my friend's room up here. I'm in my friend's house. I was spending the night here. Look at that! Wait, look at that!
Is this hard?
We have to do the back door. Look at that!
We have to do.
Now back door.
No, we have to do my sister's.
Now we're doing my friend's room. And
then we're roommates.
look at that.
And then we're gonna see if roommates.
She's in there.
Samantha. Can I take a picture of that? We could have picked a picture of her sleeping. But now we need to do the back door.
We're doing the back door now. It's like a big ant swimming pool, okay?
Yeah.
Look at through this window.
Look at that back door.
Look at that. It is totally flooding here.
It's flooding. Let's get back inside.
So,
Now we need to do the kitchen.
I hope you're not scared if you're in, what's the state again?
We're going to have to.
No, we don't. No. See, look at that.
Alright, now we're going to have to do that.
Flooding. I want to get up there.
Afraid? I want to get over here.
You can't really see out the window. See?
I can't.
The windows are covered with rain. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. It's so crazy.
Oh my god! Look at this. It's soaking wet.
How'd that get wet?
I don't know.
How'd that get wet?
I don't know.
How'd that stuff get wet? The window's not even open.
Yeah. Oh my god. I bought this for my mom.
Okay, guys. We're done with this video today, but it is pouring and it's crazy. We might have to go to upstairs for the rest of the day. But subscribe if you need. Subscribe if you can. Bye-bye.